How Jack the Checker can help you with invoice audit. Are you drowning in a flood of bills and invoices? Many enterprises, like insurance companies for instance, receive stacks of invoices every day. Before these get paid, they need to be checked, of course. But who's going to check all these invoices? Many times, the costs for experts exceed the invoice amount because the work of these professionals is expensive. How can this problem be solved? With Jack the Checker, the intelligent robot. Jack learned to check bills. He's using artificial intelligence to do it. Jack recognizes patterns in the invoice and compares them with the patterns of many other invoices. The more invoices he looks at, the better he learns to distinguish correct from wrong invoices. Jack assigns a correct invoice to the OK stack. A wrong invoice goes to the No stack. If Jack's not so sure, the invoice is placed somewhere in between. When Jack's done, it'll look something like this. To be precise, Jack gives each invoice a score between 0 and 1. 1 for 100% sure the invoice is correct, 0 for 100% sure the invoice is wrong, 0.4 for might be wrong, not sure though. What happens when Jack is done? All probably wrong invoices with a grade below 0.5 will be checked by an expert. All probably correct invoices with a score higher than 0.5 can be paid directly. But wait a minute, there's one more thing. Let's look back at Jack's work again. Just like any human, Jack can be wrong about something. Let's assume Jack has misplaced these invoices during the screening process. That's not a problem for those invoices that are in the No stack but are correct, because the expert will notice the mistake. However, no one will notice those bills that are in the OK stack but are wrong. These bills would get paid even though they are actually incorrect. Looks like a mess. How can we solve this? A little tip: the closer the grade is to 0.5, the more invoices are proportionally sorted wrongly and end up in the incorrect stack. Jack's idea is that not only the wrong invoices, but also some of the correct invoices should be checked by a human being. The volume of these checks, however, depends on your willingness to take risks. Fewer checks mean a higher risk of incorrect invoices being paid in error. More checks reduce this risk, but can get a little expensive. Choose your own risk.